As this is a very rough and general question, step by step, and get a steady, organic and controllable growth. I could also grow and stay profitable without those additional 50k. Motivation, your goals and skills. Think about it. I don't want to waste your time without giving any answers. Hello guys, welcome back to Amazon Realtalk. In today's episode, I will answer one of the most asked questions for beginners about Amazon private label business. How much does it cost to start and own Amazon private label business? How much money do I need? This is not easy to answer actually, as this is a very rough and general question. The actual budget depends on external and internal factors. The external factors are the Amazon marketplace, the niche size, the trend, competition, demand, etc. The internal factors are your level of risk adversity, motivation, your goals and skills. There are a lot of numbers out there that often are made to scare newcomers from entering the market. Like you need 100k to start a private label business and below that you can forget it. I'm sure it's not true. So as I talk only true shit on my channel, I don't want to waste your time without giving any answers. So in my opinion, you can start with a comfortable $10,000 in USA or Germany already. This will be a smaller niche maybe with around 200 sales per month for you, but it's also less competitive and would give you more time to establish your product and your brand. In a smaller marketplace like Italy, France or Poland, you can even start with less at the beginning and add up money as you continue to grow your business and generate more cash flow. And then you can reinvest your profits into the business step by step and get a steady, organic and controllable growth. This is how I did it as well back in 2018, and I never took any credits or loans. My first order was actually 1000 units for $7,000 including shipping. And then over time my business generated cash flow and I reinvested most of my money back in the business. And to be honest, I added $50,000 more from my private bank account to speed up the growth, but still, it was only required to grow faster. I could also grow and stay profitable without those additional 50k. And even right now, in 2022, we created a product that we will launch in USA, in Germany in 2023, that cost us around $13,000 for starting in two markets at the same time. It's 1000 units for Germany and 1000 units for USA. And I expect around 250 sales per month in each of the markets. And to sweeten up your motivation and destroy all the myths, I can share some details about the niche from a friend of mine. They actually started with a partner in Germany with only 300 euros budget just to test the niche. And the test went successful, so they scaled up and invested 2,500 euros more and then 3,000 more. Now, after 1 year, their total investment is still below 10,000 euros and they have 15 ASINs selling in Germany. One of them even became bestseller and got the bestseller badge. Imagine this, starting with only 300 euros and becoming a bestseller after 1.5 years. This is not a dream. This is reality that I know from a friend sitting just right next to me. Think about it. Thank you for watching. I would love to hear from you how much you want to invest in your private label business on Amazon. Please share your ideas. See you on the next episode of Amazon Real Talk. Take action. The obstacle is the way. Cheers, guys.